We are pleased to show you the 2015 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, backup camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.